What's going on, guys? Here I have a 2024 Jeep Wrangler. Now today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter. It is super easy. We're going to open up the glove box here, and on the left hand side we see this here. We're going to basically just lift this up, pull towards you, and then pull it out, and it will become undone. Now with the glove box we simply just grip it and pull it up, and it will fall right out. It's held in by these hinges located here, and once that is done we come under here and we grab these two pull tabs here, pull that, slide it out from the left. You'll see it is held in by a tab right there. Here is the part, Mopar. This is the part number. I'll leave it in the link down below. Grab the cabin air filter. This is a brand new car with 200 miles on it, so not dirty at all. And then to basically reinstall this cabin air filter, we're gonna just reinsert this, paying attention to the airflow arrows pointing down. So we get that in there nice and straight. Grab our door here, align it in from the inside first, and this just clicks into place. Make sure it is snug, and then we're gonna reattach the glove box to these hinges here. And once that is in there, we're going to reattach this hook here. The hook first goes in here, and then you lock it down. So go ahead, push it in, and then lock it down. It clicks into place, and your glove box is closed again. There you go, 2024 Jeep Wrangler SUV. This is the Rubicon. If you guys found the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Check out my channel for tech videos and other car videos. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.